Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from Paysafe to Skrill. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it actually helps me out. So to get started with a easy guide on how to send money from Paysafe to Skrill. So the first thing to do is to log into your Skrill account or visit the skrill.com and sign in into your account. Then from there, you have to click on the deposit or hard section in your account dashboard. Then from there, you have to choose the Paysafe card from the list of available deposit option. Then from there, you have to input the amount you wish to deposit into your Skrill wallet. Then after that, you have to proceed to Paysafe card. So click on go to Paysafe card to be directed to the Paysafe card website. Then from there, you have to complete the payment. So on the Paysafe card site, enter the 16-digit PIN or log into your my Paysafe card account to authorize the payment. Then after that, you have to confirm. So after that, after the successful payment, the fund should appear in your Skrill account immediately once you confirm this transaction, and that's how you can simply send money from Paysafe to Skrill. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.